All right, we are back with another episode. Look, hopefully the mic works this time, because last time the mic died out, so I'm gonna have to review every single fucking video and see if it's actually staying through the sound is staying through the whole video. So, y'all, we're hitting another leg day. I'm switching up my program quite a bit here. I am just gonna stick with some head squats at the beginning of my workouts from now on. I'm probably gonna back off the barbell back one, just because I like to switch up. I've been doing barbell squats for like the last 6-7 months, and it's probably about that time to switch it up a little bit. I mean, I was still seeing strength gains, probably a lot slower now though, because I'm cutting and shit. But I also, whenever I switch up my diet, I also like to switch up the workout as well. So for now, we're gonna be starting with hack squats on most of my leg days. Probably gonna move on to pendulum squats as well. But for now, let's get this shit rolling with these hack squats. All right. All right. First working set, let's make this shit happen. First warm-up set, come on.
Ryu, this is crazy.
All right, I'm gonna go a little heavier for the next one and see how we feel with 3 plates today. Again, man, heavy for me is 3 plates on the 25, so I don't know how to do the math on the weight for these hack squats yet, but I'm gonna ask the trainer here or something. Let's see what we feel. Let's see what we got. All right, everybody, set 2. Shit is feeling pretty damn good. So, you know, I always say that at the first couple sets, especially the warm-up ones, it always feels damn good, but that's how we figure out what we're gonna do today, all right? Enough talking, let's get this shit rolling. Come on. Oh man, no, that was actually feeling pretty fucking good. And y'all, if y'all ain't know, hack squats are mostly gonna target your quads. Don't get me wrong, they still involve the glutes a little bit, obviously most of the lower body and shit, but if you're looking for a quad specific squat, this is a very damn good one to get down, y'all. It's honestly, it's a bitch and a half, but once you get good at it, you get it rolling. Set 2, I'm gonna call that a working set for the last 3 plate squat here. I'm gonna stick with this because I got 9. I'm gonna see if I can shoot for 10 or 12 this next one, just cause I do want to stick to these lower rep ranges. Don't get me wrong, I am tempted as hell to go up another 25 and see what the hell I got, because I'm feeling fucking good, but we'll determine that maybe for the last set, you know, just to raise that intensity up, but I want to see how much I can get out of this when it comes to full-on rep ranges, all right? So let's see what we got. Set 2, working set.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh Lord. 11, baby. That's what I'm fucking talking about, y'all. Oh, that was a good grind. I haven't gone for high reps like that in a while, so that's a good change up. Set 3, working set. I want to give y'all a little tip when it comes to these half squats too. You want to make sure that your feet are low enough that you're getting a damn good bend. Like, I'm gonna do it without any weight first, but I like to have my feet lined up, probably in this middle section here, but it's gonna be different for everybody. I just like to get the most out of the knee bend, because that's where you really get the quads fired up. So when I'm going down here, look how deep, look how much my knees bend right there, all right? That's what the fuck you want from a hack squat, all right? We'll see how these sets go, just so you guys get a good example here, but let's go. Set 3, baby. Let's see what we got. Oh, come on. Lord, have mercy. Guys, also don't play yourself with the depth. You want to make sure you're going down as deep as you can without letting your hips come forward. Because once your hips start coming forward, you're putting a lot of pressure on your low back that you don't fucking want, all right? That's at 3. All right, y'all. Last but not least, these hack squats. Obviously, I'm ready to call it. Usually, I'm ready to call these after the first workout set, but ooh, we ain't no bitches word here, y'all. Let's do this. Oh, come on.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh, we got 10 of those whores right there, y'all. 10 of those fucking whores in the books. Oh, I can't even fucking talk. Let's keep it pushing, y'all. Next exercise, come on. Ooh, all right, y'all. We're on to exercise 2. I'm gonna hit these. I still don't know what the hell these things are called. All I know is to hit the glutes and the hips. So we call it a good 2-for-1 combo right here, y'all. Let's get this shit rolling. Y'all, let me say, y'all, it is damn important to take care of your hips. Like, these are the main factors in almost all these leg exercises, y'all. If you don't got good hips that are just strong and stable, you are asking for an injury, or you're just asking to be fucking tore down a bit. So when you get finished, you're like, you won't get the full range of motion as well. So do your best to take care of your hips, guys. You know, strengthen them up and stretch. Like, those are the biggest factors that I've heard of that really just help with overall sustainability and not having injuries, guys, all right? So keep those hips strong, everybody. Let's do this shit.
Ryu, this is crazy.
See, and that's why you don't count, y'all. I was thinking 12, and I was like, let me just go and see what I got. I got 15 there. And I probably could have got a couple more, so I'm just gonna run up the weight a little bit, see what the fuck we can do, all right? That's set 1, ladies and gents. Set 2. I went up a little 20 on this shit because I was feeling pretty good. Man, this is a good leg day so far. I don't want to jinx it, but everything's feeling great. And that's what this shit is all about, y'all. Come on, let's do it. Son of a bitch. Oh. Still got 12 of those hoes, and they felt fucking great. I'm gonna stick with that weight, I think, because I do want to keep those more reps, less weight. And those felt efficient as fuck, right on target, y'all. Let's keep it rolling. All right, y'all, set 3. We're keeping the weight the same because this was like a perfect weight for keeping my form and technique down to the dot. Because, again, like I said, this shit was feeling right on the dot. So let's keep it rolling, y'all. Set. Oh, 3, let's go. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Oh, we got one more set, y'all. Let's wrap this shit up. Come on. All right, y'all. Let's wrap this shit up. Oh, man, I forgot to check if the mic is still working. Hope for the best, Lord. Please keep on working, y'all. Let's get it. I just want to finish this off, move on to the next one. Fucking hell. Let's do this shit.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh, yeah, I just rushed through that one, y'all. Fuck that. Let's call it and keep it pushing, y'all. Next exercise. Let's get it. All right, everybody. We're back to these Bulgarians. Oh, man. I can already feel I'm about to be sore as fuck. Man, last time I did this shit with the hay squats and the Bulgarians, bro, I was sore for 3 days. I was like, oh, man. It was that type of sore when you're walking and you feel like you're about to cramp up and shit. Like, that shit was rough, but you know what they say, the more you do something, the better you build up this recovery rate. So let's see how these go today. We're starting off with 60s today because I ended up with like 70, 75 last time. So we'll see how this goes. Come on. Oh, ooh. Oh yeah, I'll take 8. I'll probably go heavier for the next ones. I want to stick to around an 8 rep range for these Bulgarians. Oh, I'm about to pass out. Lord help me. Oh, let's do this shit, y'all. Set 2. See, on these, I just fucking hate them. So, I'm doing heavier weight with less reps. Like, this is my only exception for my program for now. I mean, even still 8 reps is still more than I usually go for in all my other exercises. Like, when I was doing the single leg press on the machine over there, I was hitting like 5 to 6 reps. So, I'm still doing a little bit more volume, pretty much. So, you know, I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's do this shit.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Why me? Come on. Next set. Alright, y'all, set 3. I'm sticking with this same weight because these 65s are fucking me up right now. I think I went a little too crazy on the hack squats, and those other like glute hip ones really wore out my glutes in general. So we'll see how this shit goes. Let's get it. Set 3.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh Lord. That's what you call a fucking grind, y'all. Next set. Finish this shit off. Last set of these bitches. I'm gonna just see what the fuck I got. I'm gonna go for 6 to 8. I'm about to die in this bitch though, so we'll see what my body's allowing me to do. Ugh, come on. Ugh. Oh, okay, I'm done. I'm fucking done. That's how you do some fucking Bulgarians, y'all. Let's keep this shit pushing. Set 1 of some calf raises. I actually just recently learned that seated calf raises are mostly gonna hit the soleus. The standing ones are usually gonna hit the gastrocnemius. I forget how to pronounce it, y'all, but the gastro, we'll call it that for right now. But I just watched a podcast. I forget the doctor's name. I might have to go back and see who it was. But he also said that, contrary to popular belief, that this actually does also hit the gastrocnemius. So, man, might as well do this shit, right? I fuck with it too. So let's do this shit. Oh yeah, I was feeling pretty damn good too. Let's throw in another 25 in this bitch, see how it feels. Set 1 down. Alright, set 2, y'all. They're feeling pretty fucking good. So let's do this shit. Try to add some plyometrics at the end of the movement. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, they got that shit fired up. Oh yeah, I'm adding some more weight to this though. That shit, I got 10 of them, slow and controlled pretty fucking good. I'm about to see what the fuck, I'm about to throw 20 on each side, see how that shit goes. Let's get it. All right, y'all, set 3 of these bitches. We're going for 4 because I'm still feeling good. I don't feel like fucking passing out or throwing up today, so we must have done something right with our nutrition. Well, actually, I ate like a motherfucker this morning, and man, that might be it, y'all. See, this is what I just recently learned. Because it's not about you have to eat in the morning or you don't have to. You got to fast or whatever the fuck. You got to do what works for you. Like, man, I just ate like, I'm not going to lie, I ate too much. I ate 1,000 calories. So I'm not exactly the most proud about that, but if I'm feeling fucking great in here, I think I'm gonna mess around with that. I'm gonna try to eat more on my leg days in the morning and see how I just feel throughout my workout. Because I'm feeling fucking great right now. Obviously, I'm gonna have to eat less later on in the day, but hey, as long as you make this shit work, we'll make it happen, all right? Let's do it. Set 3. Oh yeah, that got him fired up. Oh, that's what I fucking call some decent calf raises right there, y'all. Let's get one more set. Last but not least, let's finish this shit off. I'm ready to call it. Man, I got no more time for this shit. Let's see what we got. I'm not doing the plyometrics here. I feel like I'm about to tear my calves off at the end of those. So I'm like, well, let's see what the fuck is going. We're feeling. So let's do it.
Ryu, this is crazy.
That's how we finish those calves off, ladies and gents. And I heard also having the strong soleus is going to be one of your biggest references to having just a healthy lower body, you guys. So build those fucking calves up. Don't miss out on the soleus there. Do some seated calf raises, y'all. Let's go get this pump check going. Come on. All right, y'all. Let's finish this shit off with a pump check real quick. That was one for the books, y'all. It went damn good. Look, I'm switching up the angle to this shit because if the camera's pointing towards the windows or at the mirrors, I've realized the lighting just gets all kinds of fucked up. So, let's see what we got here, y'all. Ooh, let's go. Oh, fucking calves. Oh, they pumped up today. Oh. That's why I'm about to cramp these hoes up. Let's keep it rolling, y'all. Oh, let's see if I can get a little closer shot right there of the legs. All right, that's all we need to do for today, everybody. Thank y'all for tapping in. If you can, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Put your mama, your grandma, your auntie, your dog on. I'd appreciate all that shit, y'all. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Go put some damn work in.